Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on YFI token. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a YFI token was bouncing from a key demand zone, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live 7 days time frame chart, you can see that this was the demand zone that I was showing you. That starts from $4,800 and goes to approximately $4,000. It had been previously working as a very, very high demand zone. Here you can see that when the price zone was entered inside this demand zone, we had a very, very powerful buying and the price then rallied very well. Then we had another rally here. Then we had another very, very powerful rally. And recently we had another very powerful pump. But every time you can see that the price then is getting rejected by this very long-term resistance zone. That starts from $14,200 and goes to approximately $16,000, $15,955. You can see that we got rejection here. If I move this trend line, then it will be more visible. We just hit the spike here and the pricing got rejected. Then we got another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection. At the same time, most of the time it is also getting rejected by this horizontal resistance as well. That is at $11,240. Got rejection here, and rejection here as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. By the way, when it was testing this key demand zone and drop down here, at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic was also entered the oversold zone and it was forming a lower than previous low. And at the same time, you can see that the price then was not able to form another lower than previous low. And this was a quite clear hidden bullish divergence signal. And the price then has followed this signal and bounced very well from this support. And we will also watch this hidden bullish divergence signal as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for STG, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 11th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of YFI. And here you can see that it is breaking out different bullish bias patterns. Like it broke out this very long-term down channel and the smaller down channel, then broke out a falling wedge, then broke out another falling wedge pattern. And by the way, we have been following every patterns before the breakout, and I've been telling you that after the breakout from this down channel and this falling wedge pattern, and even after this falling wedge pattern, our technical target was here at the top of these patterns. That was at $11,240. And over there, we already had a very, very long-term resistance as well. You can see that we got rejection here, here, and here. And now the price line is rejected by the next very strong long-term resistance zone. That starts from $14,200 and goes to $15,955. At the same time, you can see that the price line is also moving inside this horizontal channel as well. And here we have the support of the channel. Here we, by the way, have a complete support zone, but the top of the support zone is working as a support of this channel as well. That is here at $4,800. And this is, by the way, very long-term key demand zone. You can see that here we had a long spike inside this key demand zone. We had a nice pump, then we had another very nice rally, another rally, and this was another rally. And this time I'm expecting that it can start another rally from here. And in fact, we also have this time this hidden bullish divergence signal as well because the price line is forming a higher low than previous low and stochastic has entered the oversold zone and forming a lower than previous low. And therefore, there is a now probability that we may see another rally from here. Now, if we take a look at the targets, then we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, smaller down channel, this wedge and this wedge. And if the price then breaks out this horizontal channel, then technical target for the breakout from this horizontal channel will be here that will be approximately at this long-term resistance of $25,000. By the way, this $25,000 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here and support here as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That is approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.